Now let's start with theorem number 4, properties of three parallel lines and their transversals. This is the property and we will do understanding. Now there are three parallel lines AP, BQ and CR. These are already given three parallel lines. And T1 and T2 are transversals. We have to prove AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. Right? So we have to prove this thing. To prove this, we have to use BPT. BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. So this theorem is nothing but the application of BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. But for BPT we need a triangle and there is no triangle, right? Can you see any triangle here? No. So we will make triangle by drawing segment CP. By drawing segment CP, now there are two triangles with parallel lines. First is triangle ACP and second triangle is triangle PCR. Now the theorem is very easy. The proving this is very easy if you know basic concept of BPT. Now in triangle, first one by one we will consider. First I'll write in triangle ACP. Which lines are parallel or which parts are parallel? Now first of all, this intersecting point we have to name. I will name this point as point D. Point D. Now, which parts are parallel? In triangle ACP, BD is parallel to AP. Correct? So we'll write BD is parallel to AP. Now hiding these all things, CP, CB upon BA, CB upon BA equal to CD upon DP, CD upon DP, CD upon DP. And you know the reason, BPT, basic proportionality theorem. But we want AB upon BC. Here we got CB, that is BC upon AB, but we need reverse, AB upon BC, so we will do invertendo. Therefore AB upon BC equal to DP upon CD by invertendo. I have done invertendo and will mark it as 1 because we got AB upon BC equal to DP upon CD. Now you can directly write this thing, because if CB upon BA equal to CD upon DP, then definitely AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC. You can directly write. In actual theorem, this is just understanding. In actual theorem, you have to write directly, and the reason definitely will be BPT. But let me teach you the real concept. Actually, you have to do invertendo, but in your textbook they have written directly, so definitely you can write it directly. The next triangle. In triangle PCR, in triangle PCR, which two sides are parallel? DQ. DQ is parallel to CR. DQ is parallel to CR. As DQ is parallel to CR, therefore PD upon DC equal to PQ upon QR, and we need PQ upon QR only, so we'll mark it as 2. Now if you notice, DP and CD, they are same in 1 and 2. If these two part are same, then other two part also will be same from 1 and 2, that is transitivity. Therefore from 1 and 2, AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. Hence proved. Isn't it very easy? So this was just understanding. Now we will write actual theorem. by all proper step with correct reason. The next. Theorem 4, property of three parallel lines and their transversal. This is a statement. The ratio of intercept made on transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercept made by other transversal on the same parallel lines. That is AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. We need to prove. Already we have done the concept of understanding, so directly we will start with proof without wasting time. So proof, first we have to write in triangle. Right, in triangle ACP. So we will write first in triangle ACP. In triangle ACP, which parts are parallel? BD is parallel to AP. BD is parallel to AP. You can write seg also. Reason is given. Therefore, by BPT, AB, directly we will write AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC. AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC. The reason we will mark it as 1 and reason is BPT, but we will write full form, basic proportionality theorem. We'll mark it as 1. Now second triangle. Triangle is PCR. So we'll write in triangle PCR seg. Which segments are parallel? DQ is parallel to CR. So DQ is parallel to seg CR. And what will be the reason? Given. Therefore, PD upon DC. PD upon DC equal to PQ upon QR. PQ upon QR. Mark it 2. And what is the reason? Reason is basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Now, so simple now. PD upon DC is common. So definitely if these two parts are equal, the other two parts are equal. That property is called transitivity. So AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. Reason from 1 and 2. And hence proved. And this theorem is proved. So hope you understood theorem number 4, property of three parallel lines and their transversal. This theorem can come for 2 marks or 3 marks, not more than that.